Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Sony LinkBuds on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write Sony. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Select your region here, then click check and start. Agree. Ask app not to track, but you can also allow it if you want to, it's up to you. Allow, next. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!